Hello and welcome, friends. How you guys are doing? Happy and success month to you all. And for all my new friends, warm welcome to you. Today I'm gonna show you this dough Africa meat pie. So here are the ingredients. I have some flour, some butter, I have 2 eggs here, cold water, chopped onion, I have some jalapeno pepper, grounded ginger. I have my sweet pepper, some bouillon, and some cube. So let me start. Adding my butter to my flour right now. So you don't need melted butter for this kind of pie. You need everything cold so you can have that flaky flour. So you mix this very well together. Guys, I will drop all the ingredients and the quantity in my description box for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Share. I know you guys are awesome people. If you like this video, don't hesitate to share it for your sister, for your friend. Thank you so much, everyone. So after this mixing, I'll be adding my anise seed. This is very optional. You don't have to, but I like that flavor in my dough, and it gives it a beautiful look. I love anise seed. And I'll be adding my eggs right now. After that, I'll go ahead and mix it well. Mix. Mix it very well. And I'll be adding my cold water here. Not too much, just a little cold water. You don't want the dough to be too soft, neither too strong. Mix it well. And after this, everything combined to the dough. You see how I mash it? You mix it really well. And after that, you set it aside, cover it and set it aside in the cold. Put it in the fridge. That's I can say put it in the fridge. And I'll go ahead and start with the pie filling. So I'm adding my oil to my pan. I'll be adding the onion. Fry it for a couple seconds. And I'll go ahead and add the jalapeno. Stir it and let it soften. I'm adding this combination of herbs. This herb, I have some thyme, sage, rosemary combined together. So I'll be adding my meat here. I'm using some beef meat. It's optional. It's up to you what kind of meat you want to add to your veggies. You break the meat down. Break it down very well. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Stir it all together. And here is my shredded ginger. Guys, I think I used black pepper first. Yeah, that was black pepper that I sprinkle into the pan. So now I'm gonna use my mixed herb. Here is my mixed herb. This is rosemary, thyme, and sage together. And I'm adding my salt and chicken bouillon. Mix it well together. Now I'm sprinkling some flour to bring this filling, to give it like a moisture taste. Yeah, I'm adding more flour. And I will be add a little bit of water. I will cover it and let it simmer for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, here you go. Now everything is cooked. Pretty cool. Those are the pepper that I'm using for my filling. So here is the chopped version of them. I have yellow, orange, and red sweet pepper. Those are sweet pepper. They are not bell pepper. So you all can imagine the taste inside the pie coming. Ready, guys. My filling. Yeah, finished with my pie dough, the pastry. So you sprinkle some flour on the surface. This is my cold dough. You want to make sure to place your dough, your pastry, into the cold place or in the fridge to have that flaky pie. So now I'm gonna go ahead and form my pie. Cut the dough I'm making these cross cuts on top of them. This is optional. And guys, you can brush your pie with some egg, scrambled egg. See, that's the result, final result of my baked pie, African baked pie.